there is absolute immunity for anything said in Parliament, I rest my case. I think if he did call me a god, it would be very blasphemous. As I said, parliamentary speeches carry a lot of immunity with it. And I believe he called these amendments stupid. He has all the rights to call it in Parliament. But in practical terms, today I've demonstrated to you the complications that are there. And all reasonable thinking people can make their own decision on that. Yes. Honorable Prasad is in Parliament because of the 2018 election. So if he has any comments to make, he might make it in Parliament under privilege. And I will leave it there. As I said, Parliament speeches in Parliament carry immunity. So I have no comments on people's comments, on members of Parliament's comments on immunity. I'm not a member of Parliament. I only respond to election matters. And election matters that are within the ambit of the FEO. Discussions in Parliament are immune. They are subject to unrestricted discussions. There are parliamentary orders that they have to review, but it's not for the FEO to comment. If there is an allegation that is being made in Parliament, the FEO will clarify, like we did yesterday. However, that's where our role ends.